Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 15th of March, 2024. Indian benchmark indices erased previous session losses and ended lower with Nifty around 22,000. At close, the Sensex was down 453.85 points or 0.62% at 72,643.43, and the Nifty was down 123.40 points or 0.56% at 22,023.30. Biggest losers on the Nifty included BPCL, M&M, Tata Motors, Coal India and L&T, while gainers were Bharti Airtel, UPL, Bajaj Finance, HDFC Life and Adani Enterprises. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of Tata Investment Corp Limited hit 5% lower circuit after a huge block deal. Around 35 crore shares of the company changed hands in a block deal, CNBC reported. However, details of the buyers and sellers of the deal were not known. This was the fifth straight trading session when the stock hit a 5% lower circuit and declined around 22.6% during this period. At 11 a.m. on March 15th, the stock was trading at 7,540.15 rupees on BSE, down 5% from its previous close. Year to date, it has gained over 76%. Meanwhile, India's benchmark Sensex fell 0.66% to 72,611.98 points. Shares of SHAKTI Pumps, India, were locked at the 5% upper circuit in early trade on March 15 after the company received a Rs 93 crore work order. The company has received the letter of award from the Maharashtra Energy Department Agency for 3,500 solar photovoltaic water pumping system at various locations across the state under Component B of PM-KUSUM scheme, the company said. The order include design, manufacture, supply, transport, installation, testing and commissioning and to be completed in 120 days from the date of issue of work order. Shares of 197 Communications, which operates PAYTM, were locked in 5% upper circuit at 370 rupees per share on March 15 after the National Payments Corporation of India granted the company to function as a third-party application provider on Unified Payments Interface. In response, Morgan Stanley analysts shared an equal weight call on the counter with a target price of 555 rupees, implying an upside of 57% from current level. Recently, PAYTM stock has been hitting lower circuits day after day due to the RBI's ban on PAYTM Payments Bank from conducting certain operations. However, market participants could see some respite now that NPCI has given users the green light to transact using UPI on the app. So far this year, PAYTM stock has crashed over 44%. It had also hit record low of 318 rupees per share on February 16, 2024. Shares of BIOCON fell over 5% on March 15 after its subsidiary BIOCON Biologics India branded formulation business was acquired by Eris Life Sciences, a chronic therapy-focused drug firm, for 1,242 rupees crore. The transaction value represents an accretive multiple of 3.4 times revenue and 18 times earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization. As part of the deal, over 430 employees associated with the business are expected to transition to Eris, BIOCON Biologics said. Sabar Flex India Limited in daily time frame is trading around 22.90 points with a change of 19.9% and is trading with a net volume of around 380,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 19.18, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 61.35. Fidel Softec Limited in daily time frame is trading around 107.90 points with a change of 19.89% and is trading with a net volume of around 6,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 105, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 47.58. Vito Switchgears and Cables Limited in daily time frame is trading around 133.25 points with a change of 13.69% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.075 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 126.71, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 51.59. For the stock recommendation we have, Indian Bank Limited looks good and can be bought at 510 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 495 rupees and a target of 525 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.